Hi boys and girls, happy Thursday. We are going to get ready to start our lesson with our rhyming. So remember, you're going to repeat after me. And then you're going to give me a thumbs up if it rhymes, a thumbs down if it doesn't. Wet he. 5 live. Park dark. Nut cut. Go so. Great. Next one, I'm going to say 2 words that have the same first sound. Repeat after me. Cost, coin, k. Hand, hut, h. Light, lake, ol. Put, post, p. Ring, ride, Great. Our next one, we need our choppers. We're going to be blending our phonemes. Repeat after me. P, I, pie. W, I, why. T, I, tie. B, I, buy. H, I, high. Excellent. Next one's our roller coaster. Here we go. Repeat after me. Remember, watch me first, then your turn. Back, b-ack. Middle sound, ah, very good. Then, v-e-n. Middle sound, eh. Hill, h-i-l. Middle sound, eh. Hot, ought. Middle sound, ah. Cup, k-up. Middle sound, you got it. Awesome, guys. All right, the next one is choppers again. This time we're saying the whole word, then chopping it into 2 phonemes, okay? B, b-e. C, s-e. Fee, f-e. Key, k-e. Me, m-e. Nice job. Next, we're going to be adding phonemes, so you're adding parts to your word, okay? We're going to start with I. Add h. High. O. Add t. Toe. Ooh. Add d. Do. E. Add me. A. Add s. Say. Great. All right, our next one, we're deleting parts of our word. So you're going to hold a tiny word in your hands, and we're going to take away part of that word. Your first word is so. Without s, what's left is o. Moo. Without what's left is ooh. Day. Without a, what's left is d. Excellent. C. Without E, what's left is S. Pie. Without P, what's left is I. Great. And then last but not least, it's our new skill. It's our substitution. We're going to need our two fists. Ready? Your word is who. Change H to Z. Zoo. Good. Zoo. Change Z to G. Goo. Goo. Change G to T. Two. Two. Change T to M. Moo. Great job. Okay, that's it for today. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.